Hello, what is up guys, TecKJ here. Today I'm gonna unbox this new Oneplus Bullets Wire Z. Now the special thing about these are it has warp charge, that is it can charge for 10 minutes and give you battery life up to 10 hours. And they have long battery life, that is if you charge them fully they will run for 20 hours. And they have magnetic controls so that you can clip them together. And they are also waterproof. They also have quick switch which allows you to switch between last two paired devices. And this is the main feature, that is low latency mode. This is mainly used for gamers, especially while playing PUBG. You want to hear their footsteps real time. They have two symbols over here, that is 10 minutes charge, 10 hours life, and 20 minutes total battery life. Now let's unbox this. These are budget friendly, let me tell you. They are available for $30, that is 2000 rupees in India, and their previous device was available for $100 and 6000 rupees. Now without further ado, let's unbox this. How to unbox these? Okay. Oh, Darth Vader is down today. Let me check what they have given in this. Never settle. This is user guide. Red cable. Nobody read these guides. On the other side of this box we have a charger for OnePlus device. This is a C-type charger, and we have two pair of extra earbuds for your ear sizes. One is small and another one is medium. Let me show you. Yes, one are small, another one are medium, according to your ear size. Here are the OnePlus Bullet. Now these wireless bullets, they have neck band. As you can see, they have neck band. Now there's a button over here to connect and pair, and there's a charging slot over here, and there's a button. On left side we don't have anything, and on the right earphone we have volume control and a center button to pause, to play, to change tracks, and to attend calls. Now for the review I will upload one more video. This was just an unboxing video, so please wait for my review video. I will upload it once I use this. And to watch more such kind of reviews and unboxing, do subscribe me. Thank you.